My name is Dimitri. I'm originally, well, I live in Boise, Idaho, but we're building in Cascade, Idaho, which is 2 hours away. Been coming up here forever, basically since I've been in Boise. It's just outdoors. You got skiing, snowboarding, lake, snowmobiling, snow biking, mountain biking, golf, everything outdoors. It's a 32 by 70. I would recommend a Barndominium to anybody. It's just makes sense. The bigger you go, basically, the cheaper it gets. You got all the room you want for your toys, and then all the room for your living area, and especially up here in the mountains where we get fires, steel building, that's just the way to go. Main helper was my dad. He's what, 68, so kind of a helper, but mostly a supervisor. I pretty much did all of it. My second helper was my boy here. He helped me dig a little bit, run the excavator, pour concrete, supervise quite a bit too. But yeah, just having 2 generations or 3 generations all hanging out, having a good time. That's what it's about. Great Western buildings go, I would highly recommend them. Just watching all the instructional videos and being able to call and get technical support for construction questions. It was basically how I built the whole thing. I had no prior steel building experience or any building experience really, besides light remodels. Just the whole process was super easy. Engineering, any questions, any adjustments, they were able to take care of it, do it exactly how you want it. And then just, delivery, fast. Everything there was no surprises. Everything came in, everything was accounted for. If it's not, just give them a call, and super great customer service. Any problems with the build, call them up. But yeah, super easy. Instructional videos are awesome, pretty detailed. So yeah, I would highly recommend them, and yeah, they're just awesome.